Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned pro, home inspections can bring up a lot of emotions, especially when you see that 80-page report drop in your inbox. Today, I'm going to talk to you about what to do when you get a home inspection and how to handle it like a pro. A home inspection is a general overview of the entire house, its major systems, and a small peek into what's actually going on. What I tell all my clients is that the items that are found in the home inspection can be put into one of three categories. Category number one, the item is too big that no matter what is done, you don't want to move on, and there's no reason for you to buy that house. These are huge items that maybe even if they were repaired or you were compensated for them, it still wouldn't make you feel good moving forward and buying a house. These are rare and they come up ever so seldomly, but they do happen. Category number two is items that need to be addressed for you to feel comfortable moving forward on the home. These could be things like a broken furnace, an air conditioner unit that's not working, maybe a broken plumbing line, a collapsed sewer line. These are the types of things that can be repaired or you can be compensated for them for you to feel comfortable moving forward on your purchase. And finally, the third category. Things that maybe are maintenance items, things that you need to keep an eye on, small nitpick things that maybe you take care of yourself after closing, but they're really too small to address or that need to be addressed for you to buy the house. It's normal to feel overwhelmed when you get that inspection report back. But remember, most things can be fixed and we can find a way to move forward that makes sense for everyone. A good real estate agent is going to help advise you through the inspection report and let you know which items fall into category 1, 2, or 3. It's a good idea to remember that you're buying a used house and the seller has probably been living with a lot of these items and not even known it. But a good real estate agent is going to negotiate for you and make sure you feel comfortable moving forward. If you're thinking about buying a house, give us a call. We're happy to help.